you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be a little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero, everything I want to be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, even now, and you never ever judge. When I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No matter how miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but when I'm the lucky one, God made you my mother. He knew I'd be. When He picked you from the others, He could already see you would be my hero, everything I want to be. God made you my mother. He was being good to me. I'm ever a mother. I wanna be like you. He picks me from the others. I'm going to try to feel His shoes. Mama, you're my hero, and everything I want to be. God made you my mother. He was being good to me. He was being good to me. He was being good to me. Love you, Mom.